Welcome to the Techriki channel. Do you know how to complete your Windows tasks like renaming, searching, photo resizing, screen dividing easily? Today I am going to show you how to use PowerToys to ease those tasks. This PowerToys app is developed by Microsoft, but it is not included in Windows 10, but it was included in Windows XP. So let's see how to install that PowerToys app. First open your web browser, then search PowerToys. There will be a GitHub link of Microsoft. Open that. Those are the full instructions and details of PowerToys. There are its features and everything. The requirements to install the PowerToys is you must have Windows 10 18.03 build or later one. Also, you must have .NET Core 3.1 desktop runtime. If you don't have it, press this link and you can download the setup. You can download it from here. I already downloaded that. You can double click on the setup and install it. I already installed it. If you don't have this, please download and install this. Then you can download the PowerToys. Then go to the previous window. Then scroll down. They are saying PowerToys is only support for 64-bit processors and there will be a May 2020 update. You can click this link and open the PowerToys download page. These are the releases. The latest one is 0.18.2. We'll download this one. There will be three types of setups. We'll download MSI setup so we can install that. Click and download it. This is the setup that you download. After you downloading, there will be setup like this. Double click and run the setup and install as usual. Installation is finished. Now we can open the PowerToys. Go to Start menu and search PowerToys and click it. As you can see, there will be no application window, but it will run on taskbar. Double click on the PowerToys icon and you can get window like this. So there are 6 features, you can try that. Before that, you must run this as administrator, because if we use any administrative app, this PowerToys app will not work over it. So this must be run as administrator. So click on this button. I already clicked that and click always run as administrator. Now let's see what are those features. First feature is fancy zones. Fancy zones means you can divide your screen into any number of segments. Let's see how to do it. Click launch zone editor. And there will be type of segments like priority grid, columns, rows. There are so many layouts. We can change number of windows and do so many customizations. Also, we can make custom layouts from here. Now I'm selecting 3 columns and apply it. There are so many customizations. If you have selected this feature, you have to hold shift to active fancy zones. Let's see how to do it. Hold the shift and there will be 3 segments, 3 windows because I selected this layout. The second feature is File Explorer Preview. There will be preview like this for the SVG files. That is the feature. You can try that also. Third feature is Image Resizer. You can resize images without having any editing software like Photoshop or Paint. You don't want anything. You can resize images by right clicking it and selecting Resize Pictures. There will be a windows like that. You can check any option and click resize. This is the resized one. And this is the original one. You can see the difference. Fourth feature is Keyboard Manager. From this, you can add shortcuts to the keyboard keys. If you press and hold Windows key, you can see window like that. You can see built-in shortcuts in here. Also, if you want, you can customize those shortcuts. Fifth feature is Power Rename. You can rename multiple files at once. Like this, if you want to rename this 2 into 20, right click and go to Power Rename and type what you want to rename. I want to rename 2. And I want to rename it to 20. I used this bracket mark because if there was not bracket mark, it will also detect this 2 as renaming variable and it will rename this 2 into 20. So that's why I use this bracket and click rename. Those are the renamed files. The last and best feature is PowerToys Run. I like this so much. From this, you can get a search bar like in Mac and Ubuntu. You can assign a shortcut key to here. I am assigning Shift and Space. So afterwards, if I press Shift and Space, there will be a search bar. I can search anything like this. Those are all of the features of Windows PowerToys. There are so many customization, go through that. I think this video is valuable for you. There are so many tricks, gameplays, tutorials, teardowns in our channel. Please check those. If you haven't subscribed our Tech Review channel, please subscribe it. See you on next video.